Hi fellow learners, I'm Teacher Candy and today we're leveling up. We are diving into Assumptions Method Level 2 where the numbers get trickier, the thinking gets sharper and you get to become even stronger problem solvers. Ready? Let's begin and make Level 2 feels easy, fun and logical. Alright, fellow learners, let's take a look at this question. There are 10 questions in a math quiz. For every correct answer, 5 marks are awarded. Now for every incorrect answer, 2 marks are deducted. Now Amanda, she scores 29 marks for the quiz. How many questions did Amanda answer incorrectly? Okay, so we are looking for the number of questions Amanda answered incorrectly. Okay, now let's take a look at the keyword. For every correct answer, 5 marks are awarded. So every correct answer, 5 marks are awarded. However, if you get the question wrong, when you get an incorrect answer, you lose the 5 marks that is awarded if you get it correct. But since you got it wrong, you lose the 5 marks that you should get if you're correct. You also need to deduct another 2 marks. That's a total of 7 marks gone for every incorrect answer. Now, let's take a look. What is the maximum number of marks Amanda could have achieved if she get everything correct? Okay, so there are 10 questions here. And every correct answers, 5 marks are awarded. So there will be 10 times 5, which is 50. Alright. Now, Amanda, she only scored 29 marks. So obviously, she got some questions wrong. Okay. So let's see how many marks she lost. Okay. So let's take a look. The marks lost, 50 minus 29, she lost 21 marks. Yeah. Okay. So she lost 21 marks, and remember that every wrong answer she got, she lose 7 marks. How many 7 marks are there in 21? So we can take 21 divided by 7, which is 3. So she got 3 questions wrong. So she answered 3 questions incorrectly. So my final answer is 3. Okay? Now let's take a look at this question. I would like you to try it by yourself. If you manage to get the answer, you can leave it in the comments below. Alright, I'll see you at the next video, Assumptions Level 3.